Under the Federal Administrative Procedure Act, or APA, federal administrative agencies must definitively respond to a person's petition for the issuance, amendment, or repeal of an agency rule. But what if an agency denies a person's application for admission into a certification program? Must the agency definitively respond by giving grounds for denial? The United States Court of Appeals for the District of Columbia Circuit considered this question in Olivares v. Transportation Security Administration. Alberto Olivares was a Venezuelan national and pilot who lived and worked in the United States. In 2007, Olivares was convicted of conspiracy to possess with intent to distribute controlled substances. Consequently, the Federal Aviation Administration, or FAA, revoked Olivares' pilot certification, and following his prison sentence, he was deported to Venezuela. After being deported, Olivares applied to attend an FAA flight school in France to obtain a certification that would allow him to fly a large U.S. aircraft. The Transportation Security Administration, or TSA, discovered Olivares' previous drug conviction in a background check but granted his application. Olivares then completed the program and obtained his certification. 1 year later, the U.S. Government Accountability Office criticized the TSA's background investigations of foreign pilots. The TSA then revised its background check procedures to determine whether an applicant presented a risk to aviation or national security. In 2014, Olivares received another opportunity to fly a large U.S. aircraft. At the time, although his general FAA credentials were valid, his type rating had expired. Olivares then applied to attend the flight school again. The TSA conducted a background check and found, in addition to the drug conviction, Olivares had been suspected of firearms trafficking in Aruba. Further, it found that he maintained a residence in the United States. As a result, the TSA denied Olivares' application via email, stating that it was denying the application because it couldn't determine that he didn't pose a threat to transportation or national security. Olivares then filed a petition with the United States Court of Appeals for the D.C. Circuit, appealing the decision on the ground that the TSA violated the APA by not providing a statement of the grounds for denial. After the petition was filed, the TSA filed a declaration with the court explaining the agency's grounds for denying Olivares' application. In the declaration, the TSA included references to internal materials such as Olivares' background check. The court then reviewed the petition.